Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Cadillacquer Parade and Gogo Only Saint Happy. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Cadillacquer Parade. It's one I grabbed out of a polished pickup not too long ago. I've been waiting to wear it and today's the day. So it's kind of like got a jelly kind of finish to it, but I really like it. And those blue glitters in it to me this was like a really unusual polish, and I knew I had to have it. I believe I got it in the Rewind polish pickup. I can't remember. So here we go with our second coat, and I really think this would be a cool one for any kind of patriotic holiday. You know, you could do so much with it. Tapping my end just to make sure those glitters are up on that nail. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to give this one to dry down because I do intend on playing, as always. Getting a little sloppy there. I'm going to cap my free edge. And I do like this one on these short nails. I think it looks really good. Hi Woody, how you doing? Cleaning up my mess as usual, I see. So here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And this is Saint Happy by Gogo Only. And I'll be using my Maniology Cube Stamper and my Maniology Scraper. This is Brave's Diva Shutout, which is now Bases Loaded Lacquer. And I'm going to use 2 of these circle images on this plate, just because, you know, change it up just a little bit. So that image there goes on my ring finger and my thumbnail. And then this other image went on the other 3. I just was playing and mixing it up a little bit. So there we go. I am cleaning this plate off with pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel. Doing a pretty good cleanup. To do it real good, I need to break out my alcohol. So we'll save that for another day. I'm going to go in with this piece of tape and clean up around my nail. I like to get as much of that polish off of my skin without the use of acetone as I can, because I do use pure acetone. Well, mine's pure with acetone additive in it, which I need to get more of. And then I go in with my little cleanup brush and do any tidying up that I feel like I need, especially under that nail. And I'm going to top this one with the Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat. And I have to tell you, I really was in the mood for this. You know, after all the fall and Halloween manicures, me and Woody both agree that this was needed. Once that dries down, I'm going to top everything off with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat. I really do still love this top coat. Even, I don't know what her new formula is like. I can only imagine it's even better. I've got a lot of these, of the old, to get through before I get to try the new. So, until then, we'll just have to wait and see and let it go. Woody busy today. He's having to get all kinds of messes. So I really enjoyed this one, and I hope you did too. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.